Looking for the ultimate pasta maker of 2025? Whether you're a home chef, pasta enthusiast, or beginner, these top picks deliver precision rolling, adjustable thickness settings, and effortless pasta making for spaghetti, fettuccine, lasagna, and more. The Imperia pasta maker is 100% made in Italy, featuring heavy-duty steel construction for durability and stability. Its easy lock dial allows for precise thickness adjustments, ensuring perfectly rolled pasta sheets for spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna. The wood grip handle provides comfortable control, while the included cleaning brush makes maintenance simple and hassle-free. This pasta maker is ideal for traditional pasta lovers who want restaurant-quality results at home. Check the description for prices. The YASHE 2-in-1 pasta maker comes with a cleaning kit, adjustable thickness settings, and dual-width noodle rollers, allowing users to customize pasta thickness for spaghetti, fettuccine, and lasagna. The stainless steel construction ensures long-lasting performance, while the compact design makes storage easy and convenient. Its smooth rolling mechanism guarantees evenly flattened dough, making it perfect for beginners and experienced pasta makers alike. Don't miss out. Check the description for pricing. The GARMEE electric pasta maker is a fully automatic noodle maker, featuring a spaghetti roller and KitchenAid attachment. Its cordless design allows for easy operation, while the built-in pasta cutter ensures perfectly shaped noodles. The one-touch operation simplifies the pasta-making process, making it ideal for busy home cooks. With adjustable speed settings, users can control the dough thickness and texture, ensuring consistent results every time. Check out the price in the description. The CGOLDENWALL automatic pasta maker features digital controls and 12 shaped discs, allowing users to create spaghetti, fettuccine, penne, and more. With a 260-watt motor, it can handle up to 650 grams of flour, making it perfect for large batches. The white modern design adds a sleek touch to any kitchen, while the intuitive digital interface makes operation effortless. Its automatic kneading and extrusion system ensures perfectly textured pasta, making it ideal for those who want a hands-free pasta making experience. Pricing details are in the description. Don't miss out. The GOURMEX manual pasta maker features adjustable thickness settings, allowing users to customize their pasta texture. Its stainless steel construction ensures durability, while the removable handle and clamp provide stability during use. The precision rollers create smooth, even pasta sheets, making it perfect for professional quality spaghetti and fettuccine. Its compact design makes it easy to store, making it ideal for home chefs who want a reliable pasta maker. Check the description for the latest price and offers. Whether you're making classic spaghetti or gourmet fettuccine, these pasta makers bring authentic Italian craftsmanship and effortless pasta making to your kitchen. Check the description given down below for best deals.